Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Audi S4 battery step by step. First, let's gather our essential tools. You will need a 10mm wrench for the battery terminals and a 13mm socket for the hold-down bracket. A battery terminal cleaner is also helpful. To prevent losing your vehicle's electronic settings, consider using a memory saver. Always ensure your new battery matches the correct specifications for your Audi S4. Now, let's proceed to disconnect the old battery safely. Begin by opening your trunk and lifting the boot floor to reveal the battery, which is typically located beneath the spare wheel. Using your 10mm wrench, carefully disconnect the negative terminal first, followed by the positive terminal. Next, locate and remove the battery hold-down bracket, usually secured by 13mm bolts, to free the battery from its position. With the old battery disconnected and the hold-down removed, it's time for the exchange. Carefully lift the old battery out of its tray. Remember, batteries can be quite heavy. Now, gently place your new, fully charged battery into the tray, ensuring it is oriented correctly. Once positioned, securely fasten the new battery using the hold-down bracket and its 13mm bolts, making sure it cannot shift. Finally, let's reconnect everything and perform some crucial checks. First, connect the positive terminal, then the negative terminal, ensuring both are tightened firmly but not excessively. Reinstall any protective covers and the spare wheel, making sure all components are properly seated. For optimal performance and longevity, the vehicle's battery management system may require adaptation to recognize the new battery, which can be done with a diagnostic tool.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.